Does laundry detergent need my bank account info? Tide and open banking explained. Ever wondered how some apps seem to magically know exactly what you need? Maybe you casually browse shoes online, then suddenly your social media is flooded with targeted ads for those same sneakers. Or perhaps you mention needing groceries to a friend, and your phone helpfully suggests a shopping list app. It's not magic, folks. It's data. And in today's tech-driven world, companies collect a lot of it on our spending habits, browsing history, and even our conversations. But what about something as seemingly mundane as laundry detergent? You might be surprised to learn that there's a growing trend within the financial sector called open banking. This essentially allows third-party apps and services to access your bank information with your permission. Sounds a bit scary, right? So, the big question is, does Tide, the popular laundry detergent brand, use open banking? The short answer is no. Tide, at the moment, doesn't utilize open banking for its services. Their primary focus is selling laundry detergent, fabric softener, and other cleaning products. But that doesn't mean the financial world isn't creeping into the laundry aisle. Several fintech startups are looking to revolutionize laundry care by incorporating subscriptions and automated reordering. These services might eventually use open banking to streamline the process. Imagine a world where your smart washing machine detects low detergent levels and automatically reorders your favorite Tide product through a connected app, seamlessly paying through your bank account. While convenient, open banking does raise some security concerns. Sharing your financial data is a big deal, and it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Let's delve a bit deeper. What is open banking and how does it work? Imagine your bank account information as a locked vault. Traditionally, only you and the bank have the keys. Open banking creates a secure system where you can grant access to authorized third-party apps. These apps can then retrieve specific data from your vault, like transaction history or account balances, with your consent. Think of it like lending your car to a friend. You give them the keys, your permission, for a specific purpose, downloading an app, and expect them to return it safely, securely handle your data, after they're done. The potential benefits of open banking. There are several potential advantages to open banking. It can simplify money management. Imagine having all your financial accounts in one place, allowing for easier budgeting and tracking spending habits. Unlock innovative financial products. Open banking could lead to the creation of new financial tools and services tailored to your specific needs. Increase competition. By allowing access to financial data, open banking could foster competition among financial institutions, potentially leading to better interest rates and lower fees for consumers. Security concerns and precautions. While open banking offers exciting possibilities, security is paramount. Here's what to consider. Do your research. Before connecting any app to your bank account, thoroughly research the company and its security practices. Look for reviews and check if they are regulated by any financial authorities. Understand the data sharing. Be clear on what data the app is accessing and how it's being used. Only grant access to information that's absolutely necessary for the app to function. Enable two-factor authentication. Many banks offer two-factor authentication, 2FA, as an extra layer of security. This typically involves a code sent to your phone in addition to your password when logging into an app. The future of open banking and laundry care. Open banking is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to significantly impact various industries, including laundry care. While Tide isn't currently using it, fintech startups are exploring its potential to streamline the laundry experience. For now, you can rest assured that Tide isn't directly accessing your bank account. However, with the rise of open banking, it's something to keep an eye on, especially with new laundry service apps emerging. As always, be cautious about what data you share and only connect to reputable apps with strong security practices. So, will your washing machine order its own detergent in the future? Only time will tell, but open banking might just hold the key to a more automated laundry experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.